What's up, guys? It's your boy Hook 7000. So today we're out here for Taylor Falls. Me and my buddy from my workplace. So we're out here. So today I'm bringing 2 rods. I am bringing out my not a new car, but this is my car, the off-roading car. So I'm out here just doing my own thing. I'm bringing my spinning rod, Vanford Ultralight 7 feet 4 with my 6.8 BFS. A big finesse here, so this is a BFS. All right, so we'll check it out. And let me go bring my other rod just in case. And my backpack, and I'll see you guys over there. All right, guys. So it's almost like 7 in the morning right now. So, yeah, there's a lot of species too. My view's over there already. Oh, it's not bad. It's not much more. We can come back and try over here. A little bit better. That's I came with that. It wasn't that low. So, let's try to do it tonight. Oh man, this is what happened with 2 rods. 2 rods in the way. Okay. Alright. Alright guys, so this is what you call a real BFS, alright? Don't call it a spinning rail or whatever it is, it's a BFS. Keep your eyes open, okay? BFS. So here's a BFS, okay? BFS. And a shallow spool. I have a shallow spool. Alright, I'm gonna use my spinning reel right now. Ultralight 7 4 feet. Alright guys. Got any luck? 10-1, that's good. My bad. That's good, that's what's up. You could go down. I might do a pass. Yeah, he got 1. And then he caught another walleye. It's on, please. Bye. Walleye. Whoa. There again, they are here. Alright guys, there we go. Release it. Yeah, I got a bite that you missed, huh? Yeah, I need to change my hook. The hook's too short. This hook is only meant for crappie, yeah. It's like it's a off 6, so it's smaller, yeah, smaller. So they have to really like choke it or really take it. But I'm too lazy right now. I was like shit. Baby, fish on. Walleye. Walleye sao vậy? picture though. I know, I got you. There you go, bro. I'll take a picture of you. Alright guys, so we're walking way more down than we were supposed to, but we're gonna find out if there's any fish here. But I already see splashing right, so that's a good sign. So let me just throw my spinning rods because it casts further. I'm gonna have to find out. Alright guys, so what happened is that there are people fishing here. There's a lot of raw, so I think they're only so big for maybe buffalo or maybe sturgeon. Who knows what they're catching over here. But it's really nice and calm, but it's not really good for artificial. Maybe I can, but throw a bigger, heavy artificial. But other than that, I think I'm just gonna hit it down because I'm going back to my car. If you see, it's right there right now. So we're gonna hop down, further down, and see if we get lucky with it. So I see you guys when I get to my car, to over there. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is time to get going. Gonna pick him up, so we'll see. Trying to give my best, so we'll see. All right, see you guys over there. I got rock again. Big rock here again. GG. I'll do it later. Too lazy doing that BFS shit. I got a cast right, cause I was like, cast stretch thaw. Like a chat right, oh shit. Oh, okay, that's something. Ooh, damn. Damn, break my line. Oh, I should hurt. Okay, fish on. Bass. Okay. It's a bass. Catch, release. Miss it. Fish on, baby. Woo! Okay. Come on, over here, okay? This is a beautiful one. It's a baby one. Catch and release. Oh, we didn't try here. Never mind. I don't know. I'm good.
Baba Yaga.
So guys,
She sent you here to kill me?
Or you can leave.
I'm not leaving.
Your choice.
Não cessa do fim de semana.